Hey, it's me, Miss M. As everybody knows, I've been raising a lot of cats at home. 7, to be more specific. This is Cheese, this is Baby Brown, this is Polka, here is Piggy, and then Spot, and Rabbit, and finally, Baseball. So today, I'm gonna tell you my story and reasons why you should have a cat or cats, as well as how wonderful it is to raise a cat or cats. Okay, let's get started. So I've been saving, adopting, and fostering many kittens and cats from different places, from my neighborhood, a market, a dump site, or sometimes just somewhere on the street. All those places are where nobody would ever pay any attention to a kitten or a cat. I first started to help little animals when I was a freshman, together with my family, especially my mom. She used to hate cats very much, but I guess she saw something in helping those little creatures then, so she started to help them with me. So do my brother and dad. Life with a kitten or a cat is not easy at all. It's like when you have a baby. You have to feed them on time, otherwise they'll keep calling you, even when you don't speak any cat language. You have to buy them t-shirts and stuff when it gets cold to make sure they won't get sick. But anyway, they look cute, right? You have to spend a lot of money on their food. And trust me, their food is more expensive than ours. And when they get sick, you have to bring them to the vet and spend even more money. That will make you cry at night. Also, you will be absolutely pissed off seeing your chairs and sofas and furniture being destroyed. Of course, by the cats. Or you will be frustrated with the smell of their pees or poops. And yes, a million things will happen and probably turn you into a mad person. But I gotta say that I regret nothing about having cats living with me in my house. On the other hand, the more I spend time with them, the more I love them. Why? Reason number 1. Whenever I come home, all of a sudden, and no matter what they are doing, sleeping, eating, chasing the mice in their dreams, they still rush to the door and show me the greatest love they have towards me. I bet you guys understand that feeling when you are welcomed home by someone. It's just so warm-hearted, isn't it? Reason number 2. Whenever I feel tired of overworking, they always come and look me in the eyes, just like to check if I'm okay or not. Isn't it a sweet little thing? Reason number 3. Whenever I call their names, they would completely give up on what they are about to do just to come to me. Also, sometimes I just call them on purpose, just to test which of them would come to me first. You know, it's like a fun thing to do, and I really love it. Reason number 4. Whenever I need a tight, loving hug, they are willing to let me do it with them. We all know how it feels, right? a tight, loving hug can heal all the pains in your heart, they said. Reason number 5, whenever I need a model for my photos, they would be so pleased to help me doing different poses. I usually post a lot of photos of my cats to Facebook and Instagram, and they always get a lot of likes and comments. Aren't they professional? Reason number 6, every night I go to sleep, they will be extremely happy if I let them sleep with me. So am I. Reason number 7, every time I feel so depressed about something, work, my relationship, my family, their constant purse would chase my tears away. And it seems like they have brought me all the peace in the whole world. Reason number 8, every time I look at them in their eyes, I cannot find anywhere else that could be more peaceful in this lonely and hustling world. It's like I could actually see the whole universe in their eyes. And it's beautiful. Reason number 9, my cats always know how to surprise me with many ways of sleeping, even when they have been living with me for a while. And I guess seeing them like that kinda entertains me somehow. Reason number 10, since I'm such an introvert, having cats has changed my life. From a boring and depressing life to a new, more exciting and loving one. I've gotta admit that I felt less lonely when having them as pets. And finally, saving a kitten or a cat apparently doesn't make me a hero, but somehow I found myself not too useless. Like, at least I play an important role to someone weaker, and that I can be able to change their lives. Adopting kittens and cats has changed both of our lives, and I'm so grateful for that. Isn't it enough with the reasons above? Well, if you are also raising cats at home, I guess everyone has their own reason why they love the cats so much, right? If you also want to tell your story about how you have saved your pets at home, a cat, a bird, or dog, don't hesitate to email me or leave a comment below this video. I would love to hear all your stories. Thank you so much for listening to me. I guess it's time to say goodbye and see you guys in my next videos. Bye!